Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 Propeller Giveaway. I'll have that coming right up. While out on DJI's website today, I noticed that they now have accessories showing for the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. And one of those accessories that's showing is the quiet propellers. I've had a lot of inquiries about that, so first of all I want to let you know about it, and that there will be a link in the description so you definitely can check that out. Now, it does have in-stock reminder up there, so what you need to do is click the button, put your email address in, and you'll receive an email notification when those become available. The other thing is, when those do become available, I'm going to order 2 pair, and what I'm going to do, we're going to have a second giveaway. That's right, a second giveaway on BillTheDroneReviewer for 2 pair of the low noise propeller Phantom 4 Pro V2.0, and it will, of course, it'll be able to work with the Phantom 4 Pro. So, and the rules are going to be very simple. Number 1, you have to be a subscriber to BillTheDroneReviewer. Number 2, you have to click on like on this video. Number 3, you have to comment on this video. I want to win the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 low noise propellers because, and that's it. It's as simple as that, folks. What I'm going to do is this contest will be going through when I actually receive the propellers. So I'm going to guess, usually DJI takes about 3 weeks plus for this. So this contest will run during that time, and the contest will end when I get the propellers in stock, and I will let everybody know probably during a Tuesday night Rotor Talk Live that they're in stock, and I will use software to go ahead and select a random comment from this video tonight to be the winner. The winner will have 48 hours to get back to me with their email address so I can get information from them on getting them sent out. If they don't email me back within 48 hours, I'm going to select another winner. So here's another chance to win something brand new, ready to go, and it's going to make a difference in terms of the sound that comes from your Phantom 4 Pro. I know from everybody I've talked to, they are loud drones. So if you can do anything to reduce that noise, that's absolutely fantastic. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything that's DJI related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates there as well. Thanks so much for watching and happy flying.